सेजल, can we have you on stage? अरे भाई सेजल ने क्या गुनाह किया कि इसके लिए तालियां नहीं बज रही हैं? Thank you.
लोकतंत्र की सफलता और विफलता उसकी पत्रकारिता पर निर्भर करती है। सभी को नमस्कार, मेरा नाम है सेजल छबलानी और आज मैं आपके सामने मीडिया ट्रायल पर कुछ विचार और कुछ कटाक्ष प्रस्तुत करूंगी। Is media the new judiciary? This question begins a tale of conspiracy, deception, and moral ambiguity. In the words of Jim Morrison, whoever controls the media controls the mind. Before understanding what is media trial, let us first understand what is media, how it works. So, the major source of income for media is advertisements, and these advertisements are given to the channels that have more TRP. Now, this TRP can be manipulated. This TRP is manipulated by generally, the general practice is doing the sensational news. This news is modified and twisted to an extent that it increases the curiosity in the mind of people who are sitting at the home and believing in news of the media. In media trials, the editors or broadcasters or the anchors start publishing their personal interpretation of facts backed by zero or ambiguous proofs, and they have no backing. This again connotes an idea which is entirely contradictory to the actual case matter in the minds of you and me, the bourgeoisie and the proletariat of the country. I request the attention of every person here and for a moment think that a woman is brutally gang raped. And there are 3 suspects who are accused of the same. What pictures comes to your mind of that accused? Do you see him as a benevolent or innocent person? Or do you already picture that accused as guilty? The media, what it has done is it throws every bit of information. It goes to take the interviews of family members, the witnesses, the accused, the victims, and show in the minds of people as if all the 3 accused are actually guilty of that crime. What if that accused is tried in the court and is found innocent at a later point of time? Now, what about his future, his career, his job? And there is innumerable problems that his family would have already faced. Is this the motive of bringing information through media? Is this trial just? There exists a basic right of fair trial that is given to every accused, be it innocent or guilty or victim alike, which should necessarily have no external influence and is thus recognized as basic tenet of justice. But it can be clearly observed that the media trial is encroachment of such rights. शायद यहाँ उपस्थित कई लोग KM नानावटी केस है जिसने रुस्तम मूवी देखी है उस केस के बारे में जानकारी रखते होंगे. तो thence let me take you to the genesis of media trial. It can be traced back to KM Nanavati versus State of Bombay case. This trial was marked by thriller great twist of turns, and the jury system called for new two constitutional benches, forced the intervention of the then Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru and fueled the unprecedented public hysteria. Every decade since then have been marked by bloodied similar crime or 3 involving those with friends in high places or political heavies themselves. People aren't concerned about what is happening inside a courtroom. A common man, when he wakes up in the morning, thinks about the tea and the piece of paper that delivers him the news across the world. The propagating a narrative and ideology is what the media does today. Whereas it is expected to discuss the fact, share the information, opinion, and leave the debate wide open to the public. Open rather than dictating what news presenters feel the conclusion should be. Media is, it won't be wrong to call the media politically motivated. In India, the political system is not leftist or rightist, it's opportunist. It turns the table according to the volition of political party involved into it, and then mean if a political party has a dominance over the media, then it has already won half of the election. This again, in turn, shows the vicious cycle that is inequality. At last, मैं आप सबके सामने एक सवाल रखूंगी। उसकी कीमत कितनी होगी? मुझे एक सच्चा अखबार खरीदना है। उसकी कीमत कितनी होगी? मुझे एक सच्चा अखबार खरीदना है। धन्यवाद।